Good morning, welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Continue to see cloudy skies across the region with low-level cloud cover. Going to see that throughout much of the morning hours. Should see some breaks as we move into late morning hours today, and then especially during the afternoon we'll see this low cloud break up. That's going to allow us to see some sunshine, temperatures in the lower 80s for today, as well as a very slight chance of a pop-up shower thunderstorm, but most likely that's not going to occur here at Wallops. Better chances towards Ocean City for this afternoon. However, we'll have a cold front move through for tomorrow that's going to give us a good chance of showers and thunderstorms across the region for tomorrow afternoon and the evening hours, and even a chance of a rain shower as we move into tomorrow morning. Our current upper low winds from this morning, freezing level around 14,000 feet. Winds are light in general across the area, seeing winds out of the northwest about 5 to 10 knots in low levels, moving the mid levels, the westerly component in general around 10 to 15 knots, and then only up to about 20 knots out of the northwest at 20 and 25,000 feet this morning. Current surface analysis shows a stationary boundary across the region. That's giving us this low cloudiness that we're seeing this morning. That should start to lift off to our north as we move into the afternoon hours today, and that'll allow for that low cloud to erode as well. As moving into tomorrow, we'll see a cold front currently across the Ohio Valley push into the region, giving us a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and we'll also see a prefrontal trough across the region for tomorrow morning, possibly giving us a few showers and rumble of thunder for the morning hours as well. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, you can see we do have that low cloud continue to linger across our region, and that'll continue to erode from the northwest to the southeast as we move into the afternoon hours today. And moving a look into the HER model here for the next 48 hours, you can see that low cloud eroding. It does pop up a shower just north of Wallops towards around 2 p.m. or 1400 local this afternoon. That's about the closest of any of the models is showing for a shower popping up, but can't rule it out for this afternoon. I'll move towards the Ocean City area for later this afternoon, possibly as far west as eastern Wycomico County. Moving into our overnight hours, we'll see some showers start to develop in the evening hours, late afternoon hours across the Tidewater, as well as across the eastern portions of Virginia west of the Chesapeake Bay. And those will try to move towards our region for this evening, but we'll have a tough time doing so as we'll have a southerly to southeasterly flow develop with the sea breeze for this afternoon. That's going to cap our instability here at Wallops. But can't rule out a shower early overnight as seeing those showers try to move into the region. Most likely won't see it though. Moving into the overnight hours, we'll see showers and thunderstorms start to develop across the area as the HERS showing here, and running a chance of a shower as well as a isolated thunderstorm after about 6 local on Tuesday morning, with that prefrontal trough moving through. And you can see here it does move some showers, possible thunderstorm through the area during the morning hours. And we'll see a break in the activity looks like during the late morning into the early afternoon hours before we see more showers and thunderstorms developing during the late afternoon and the evening hours across the region. Some of these storms during the late afternoon and the evening could be strong, possibly severe across the region, as we'll have a decent amount of instability develop across the area, as well as some stronger shear across the region. So could be seeing a isolated strong to severe storm across the area, but not expecting that, but can't rule it out across the region as the ingredients are there for tomorrow afternoon, the evening hours. And we should see that activity possibly linger into the evening hours or late evening hours on Tuesday and Wednesday before clearing out across the region overnight. And taking a look at our current risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board for today. As I mentioned, very slight chance of that shower for early afternoon, high around 83. Light winds this morning, and then turning south at 7-12 knots this afternoon. The southwest 8 to 13 knots overnight as that warm front moves well north of the region. We're going to be in the warm sector overnight with only a low of 70 degrees. And expecting a decent chance of showers tomorrow morning, isolated thunderstorm possible as well, and up to 75 degrees by 8 local on Tuesday morning. Our terminal forecast looking at the low cloud throughout the region this morning into the early afternoon hours, and then we'll should see VFR conditions after 1800 UTC or 1400 local, and a chance of that shower in the vicinity as we move past about 6 o'clock this evening into the early overnight hours. As I mentioned, we'll have a better chance of those rain showers, possibly a thunderstorm after about 6 local on our Tuesday morning. Tide's running slightly above normal. Looking at Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, cloudy with rain showers, isolated thunderstorm during the morning, becoming partly to mostly cloudy, scattered showers, thunderstorms in the afternoon and early evening. As I mentioned, some of those storms could be strong to severe if we do see enough instability build across the region, high around 82 degrees. For Tuesday night, slight chance of a lingering shower or thunderstorm during the evening, otherwise partly cloudy, a low of 67. And for our Wednesday, most of the center partly cloudy and warm. We'll see a high around 80 degrees. Green chart across the board for our Wednesday. The next 7 days, our best chance of rain, the next few comes on Tuesday, tomorrow, with those showers and thunderstorms likely with that cold front moving through. And we'll see a warm up for midweek. High 83 on Wednesday, a bit less humid, but we'll see that humidity return for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures in the upper 80s, so looking like we'll see that summertime type warmth move in for Thursday and Friday. Chance of some evening thunderstorms on Friday. A better chance, it looks like, on Saturday with cold front moving through the area as well as an area low pressure. High around 84 with showers and thunderstorms likely. And then Sunday looks like we'll have more onshore flow, some breezy conditions off the ocean, capping our highs in the mid-70s with a slight chance of some drizzle as well. So looks like an unsettled weekend once again coming up for this weekend approaching. But I hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.